Good morning everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my first art vlog. By the way, I am Aisha Dura. I am from India. Today I am going to paint a beach view of Kanyakumari. It is located in Tamil Nadu. This beach is known for a famous statue of Thiruvalluvar. He was a Tamil poet and philosopher. The picture that I have shown in the beginning of this video is the one that I'm gonna paint today. That picture was taken by my sister 2 years back. So yesterday I randomly searched for a picture to paint. Then I got this picture and I thought I should paint this. First I have drawn the outline for the picture. Now I'm painting the statue part with black color for more than a layer. Here I'm using my old sketchbook to paint this. I'm using acrylic paints. You can use whatever paints you have at your home. Now I'm painting the sky part. I'm using 3 more color combinations to make it look natural. This is slightly different from the original pic because I'm trying to make it in my own style. This picture was taken at 6 a.m. in the morning when the sun rises. Kanyakumari beach is the one place in India where probably one can watch the beautiful sunrise and sunsets. My sister told me that was a beautiful moment and I missed that. But I had been there for 2 times. One was with my family and another one was with my friends. So I love this place. It brings so much memories. So this place is so close to my heart. Painting for a long time, so I took a break and I'll be back in a few minutes. Meanwhile, my mom is preparing for an evening snack. and I'm helping her. Now I'm back to painting. I'm painting the ocean part now. I usually scared to paint the ocean part because it needs so much details. See, it looks a kind of mess, but it will come out well at the end. And this is for today. This is the final look of the painting. And I'm also happy to share some special memories with you all. Hope you guys like this. And I'll come back to you with another video soon. Until then, bye. Take care and thanks for watching.